When I was actually in the 12th grade, I wasn't even living with my parents at the time. I had my own apartment, and I was basically, you can say I was living the life. After some short period of time, I started getting into a little trouble and things like that, hanging with the wrong crowd. I really didn't think too much of it when I started getting into just a little trouble. But those small problems turned into big problems, which led me up to where I almost got in the accessory to a murder charge. That situation right there changed my life. And I got so scared, frustrated, was mad. So at that point, I decided to drop out. Every company I ended up working for, I always ended up in some type of leadership position where it was either a lead or trainer or something like that. It was a leadership position. They were forced to downsize, and I didn't make that cut. I'm filling out applications, I'm going to job interviews and things like that, and I'm constantly getting turned back because I don't have my high school diploma. And that's when I came to the realization where I had to go ahead and go back to school. I've heard about the Excel Center. First class, Mr. Woodridge, chemistry. When I first heard his voice and I told him my name, and he just started talking to me like he knew me. And it just made me feel, it was like a breath of fresh air. I'm good. I'm gonna be good. I can do it. I now stand before you, young black man, proud father, business owner, and now 2021 graduate. I made it through it. I ended up graduating top of the class and everything, which is something that I never thought that I would be able to do.